Tired of using the same old password across multiple platforms? Let's lock down your financial security by creating a unique login for your USAA app. First, if you're a new USAA member, you'll need to enroll for online access. Open the USAA mobile app. If you already have an account and just need to change your login, you'll find the forgot username or password link below the login fields. Tap on that. On the account recovery screen, choose the option that best suits your needs. If you've forgotten your username, tap Forgot Username. If you remember your username but need a new password, select Forgot Password. For this tutorial, let's assume you're resetting your password, so tap Forgot Password. Now, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. This typically involves entering your USAA number or social security number, along with your date of birth. Enter the information accurately and tap Continue. Next, you may be asked to answer security questions you previously set up or receive a one-time passcode via text message or email. Select your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions for a text message or email. Enter the code you received into the designated field. This is where you get to create your new login. Choose a username that's easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. Then, create a strong password. We recommend a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. The app will usually have a password strength meter to guide you. Aim for a strong rating. Once you've confirmed your new username and password, you should see a confirmation message. Now, you can use your new credentials to log into the USAA app securely. Remember to keep your login information safe and never share it with anyone. Now you know how to make your own login for USAA app.